Hi, in this video we want to introduce the Zigbee smart switch from the SONOFF. The code is ZBMini or ZBMini. For installation, this module needs a neutral wire, but the new module that we will introduce later, it doesn't need a neutral wiring. As you can see, this device is very easy, can be placed into the wall boxes, and you can do the wiring. It has two switches, and you can add these switches for the control of the lighting, and also it has a neutral and phase for the power supply, and then you have the one circuit out for your loads, as it can be shown in the manual of the module. As you can be seen, you can put this device in the wall box, and then you can add different switches. Also, you can have the two-way control using this module, and then by control of the switches you can control the light circuit, or just run other scenarios. You can define scenarios for both switching and also for the output. The ampere of the relay is 10 ampere, so it is normal for lighting, and you can rely on this, and this device is enough power pool for this purpose. And easily, by using the learning button, you can add it into the SONOFF ZBMini application. You will need a Zigbee bridge inside your installation, or just using the NS Panel Pro as a Zigbee hub. Thanks for watching. We will see real installation and working with this device in later videos.